Hello friends, welcome to Shiva Tech World. In this channel, we will publish all sort of technical assistance videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. Let's start today's video. Today, we will discuss about how to convert Canva free to Canva Pro account just in simple 2 steps. Please don't skip the video and watch till end and follow the same to get Canva Pro account free. For get Canva free account, first step we have to visit to Canva official website. Friends, the link will be provided in video description. You can get from there. Now let me sign up. First step, just you can log in with your free account. I am choosing the sign up process. You can use Google account or Facebook to log in. You can log in with your email account. Yes, we logged in. So just I have completed my sign up process. Now you can see friends, this is a free account. In free account, we having some limitations. Like we can use only 1 GB of storage. We can create only 10 pages. And we can create only 3 designs in a day. But in Canva Pro account has no such limitations. We can create and use unlimited storage, and we can create unlimited pages, and also we can create unlimited designs. We can download with HD formatted. Then just follow the second step. Now we will tell you. Friends, now we completed sign up process and logged in. So let me go to the second step. Just we can keep this open tab and open the new tab in Canva and paste the URL we are mentioned in the video description. Right. Once it opened, go to little bottom, and if you want to read the blog, you can read. Now here you can see that download free guide how to use Canva, and the timer is running. So you have to wait for complete this timer becomes 0. Right. So the timer has been completed. Now click here to download. Great. Now your Canva free account has been converted into Canva Pro account. Now you can see this, all the features has been enabled. Click on got it. See friends, so now you have Canva Pro account, and that's it. You will now have access to all of the Pro features on Canva. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And friends, if you have any comments, please share your valuable comments in below comment section.